Hospital medicine is a really fun field. We get to see kids with a lot of different diagnoses and conditions. We get to see kids of all ages. It's a really fun career to be in because you get to do a lot of different things.
Among all the different specialties that I've seen, hospitalist is probably one of the most diverse group of people in terms of interests and what we do and where we work. And so I think that was, for me, something that was really, really attractive.
We're a large children's hospital with greater than 400 beds, and our patient population is diverse here. We get mostly complex patients from all over the state who need subspecialty care. One of the actual benefits of our fellowship is that we have a lot of community sites. So we have one primary community site, but we have a lot of different sites that our fellows can rotate in depending on their interests.
Wiley's really interesting in that it's right in the center of the city. And that gives us an opportunity to really engage with the community that we're in. We've had an opportunity to expand into our community and make sure that we're providing those resources, and I think the fellows are doing a lot of the same work. It's a standard fellowship, so 2 years. There's a lot of flexibility in those 2 years. Having the opportunity to start where your interests live is, I think, really helpful.
So about a third of their time is spent on clinical core rotations, and then a third of their time is spent on scholarly work, so working on their research project, and then the last third is spent on elective time. We like to offer pretty much any elective you could think of just so that we can accommodate the needs for our fellows. We also have the unique opportunity here of global medicine. So our fellows, if they're interested, can travel out of the country to do global medicine. They can do global medicine here with some of our immigrant populations. It is flexible, so you have a lot of time to work on your interests.
When fellows have a project, everybody steps in to help. Everybody makes sure that they're doing their part, and that's really important to me. When fellows are on service, everybody knows what their role is, how they fall into the team. There's a lot of encouragement for the fellows and making sure that they're getting the education that they need, but also the autonomy that they need.
One of the big things they learn in fellowship is quality improvement. How do I build my own research project? That's something we're not always taught in residency, and so the fellowship gives you quite a bit of protected time to learn those skills.
There's a lot of really interesting opportunities for QI, but the most important, and I think the most interesting thing for me, is everyone's excitement around everyone else's project. Having a space where there's automatic buy-in is a great boost to a new project. There's a lot of mentorship that occurs here, so I think it's a great place to do QI.
We go through all the different rotations, and hospitalist is the one that has their hand in a little bit of everything, so I still get to see like NICU babies, get to take care of them, get to take care of all the newborns, get to take care of PICU patients, so it was just the variety of patients, the acuity that we get to see, getting to do a little bit of everything. I just really like the patient populations that we get here, and the people here just make it. Our group is pretty close-knit. We would do anything for each other. We like to hang out outside of here. It's just a really fun group to be a part of.
As far as what we look for in a fellow, we're just looking for people who are dedicated to getting better as a hospitalist, learning QI and research, and getting better as a physician.
Having the fellows be so central to the program is really, really important. We benefit from them just as much as they benefit from us, and it's that kind of symbiotic relationship that I really appreciate.
I love working with our fellows. They're just easy to teach, they're easy to work with, and it makes my job so fun.